everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber and today I'm going to be doing a date night get ready with me. We're just going out with a couple of friends. So while I was getting ready, I decided to start recording it. I really hope you enjoy this video, and while you are here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to start with brows. Everything that I use will be listed down in the description box below. Going in with brows, I'm taking my NikaK New York eyebrow pencil, and I have the shade dark brown. Alright, now to clean up my brows, I'm going to be taking two different MAC Studio Finish concealers, one in NC45 and the other in NC50. Alright, now that those are done, time to move on to the eyes. Don't really know what I want to do. Well, I know what I want to do. Well, no, I don't know what I want to do. Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette, or the Morphe 3503, and it's that Fierce by Nature palette. I think I'm going to go with the Makeup Revolution. I can't find an actual eyeshadow primer right now, so I'm going to take this Covergirl True Blend concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Caramel. And now I'm at the point where I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face because I'm looking real crusty dusty. I'm using the 111 or 111 Skin Harley St. London, the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. Next, I'm taking the Sommerville ExfoliKate Glow Moisturizer. So I zoomed in just a little bit, so now we're going to focus on the eyes. So this is the palette that I'm going to use. I'm taking Cocoa, and I'm using that as my transition shade for my crease. Oh, it's not Cocoa, it's 100% Cocoa, period. The next shade I'm going to go to is No Drama, down here at the bottom. And I'm going to place that on the outside and inside corner of my eyes. I'm putting this everywhere. Yeah. Now I'm going to take Pure Soul. This it's kind of maroonish, burgundy-ish shade right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to place it on my outer V. And in my crease. Hopefully it's as deep as it is in the pan on my actual eyes. Not really, but we can make it work. Just looking at this, I do want the outer corner for sure to be a little deeper. So I'm going to take, pray for me, but I'm going to take the shade Stargirl, and it's this black up here. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to use it to deepen that Pure Soul color, that burgundy. I'm literally just taking a little bit at a time because I don't want to mess it up. is definitely not the most pigmented black, but I'm kind of glad that it's not, because if it was too pigmented, I would have put too much. I would have been upset. Now I'm going to take this shade here, You Are Gold. This one here, it's like a duochrome. I don't know if you can see here, but it's like pink, then it's gold, well, rose gold, then it's just regular gold. I'm just going to take a flat shader brush and it's going to put that right in the middle. If you like it like this, then you can just go ahead and leave this alone, but if you're like me and you want to put a little stank on it, take your setting spray and spray your brush, and then go back into the shade and go right back over your eye. Alright, so now I'm going to start on my face. For primer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This one here. Now I'm about to go in with foundation, and today I'm going to be using my Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, and I have the shade 6W1 Sandalwood. Next, I'm going to be highlighting. First one that I'm going to take for under my eyes is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one is in the shade Toffee. I'm taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Ooh, that's a lot. Now for my cream contour, I'm going to use just a very dark foundation from Sephora. It is their 10-hour wear foundation, and I have it in dark ebony. Now time to set my face. Translucent powder by Bakerie. I'm going to take this Revolution Glow Splendour Ultra Matte Bronzer in medium dark, and I'm going to use this to set my contour. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Luna Magic Viva Pink Lash Primer Base. I'm going to use this to prime my lashes. I'm going to take my favorite mascara. It is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. trying to see if I want you all to see me struggle putting these lashes on. Alright, so I punked out and I did not do my lashes on camera. I used the Remy lashes by Ardell. This is the packaging that it came in. So now we're moving on to lips, and of course I'm taking my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and then I'm going to take my Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade, it says 5403 on the bottom. I'm going to top it with this lip topper I bought not too long ago. It's by a brand called S.h.e Makeup. Alright, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And make sure you share this video with your friends, your family, your boo, your other boo, and your side piece. Alright, I'll see you next time.